2,
She screamed.
3,
I whispered. Equals spoke in an extremely quiet voice.
4,
We chatted. Equals had an informal conversation.
5,
He mumbled. Equals spoke in a low voice, not clearly, without opening his mouth much.
6,
My kids whined. Equals complained.
7,
He rambled. He went on and on. Equals talked too much without stopping.
8,
She stammered.
9,
I snapped at my husband. Equals said a quick and angry remark.
10,
He muttered. Equals spoke in a low voice, usually making complaints or negative comments.